Hi everyone. So today we'll be talking about how you can create your own uh, Deriv bot. So we'll be talking about how you can create a bot here, guys. So I will teach you how you can create your own bot by using this simple step, guys. So if you look at here, you can see that we are already on a Deriv bot, guys, and this is a Deriv bot platform, guys. So and I'm going to walk you step by step, guys. So if you look at this place, guys, you can see that we have trade parameter, and we have a purchased, we have a sell condition, and we have what restart trading, guys. So and if you look at here again, we have a quick strategy. So quick strategy is a play that you can create a an easy strategy, quick strategy, where you can create a just a very strategy that is very quick, guys. So like if you look at this multi-girl, if I want to create a multi-girl strategy, I will just click this multi-girl like this. Then I will choose the volatility I want to use. If it's volatility 50 or volatility 100, if I like, I leave it by default like this. So I can create like volatility 10 1s. Then I will do the stake here. What will be my stake? If my stake will be like $1, I can leave it like this. If it is $10, then I leave it. So let me just leave it $1. So right now, if I want to say, let me say growth, if you look at this place, it's saying that growth, your stake will grow at a specific growth rate per tick, as long as the current price remain within the range. So if I want the growth to be like 2%, 10%, like how the growth will be growing, so I can leave it like this. Just leave it by this like this, because if you are losing, it will be the same thing. So this profit threshold is where you can set your profit. What will be the profit if my amount hit? So let's say that the profit should be like $5. Like if the price hit $5, then let it stop. So and if the what will be the loss threshold if the price reach this $3, that is what stop trading, guys. So if I lose $3, let it stop. So this is how you can able to like if you look at this threshold, it tell you that the bot will stop trading if your total profit exceeded this amount. You can see. So that is how it works, guys. And if you look at this place, so you can actually also what take profits, sell condition, you can leave it like this or leave the trade like this. Let's say that we want to say take profit or tick count, so we can leave it at a tick count. Then maximum tick that is to count is what is 1. So let's say that we leave it as 1. Then we say okay, if the bot is okay right now, we can now say run the bot. So we can now just say what run the bot, and the bot will load on our list. You can see. So if you look at this place right now, you can see that this is our bot that we have already created, and it's very simple, just quick. That's why I call it quick strategy. And if you look at here, you can see that it's automatic. Let's say that you want to run this, and let's say I am doing this on a demo. So for the sake of, let's say I restart this thing right now, and I want to run this bot right now. I'm going to say contract. You can see that it has started running. So as it started running, if you look at this place, we see that this is volatility 10ys we choose. So if you look at this place, we see that this volatility 110 we set. So let's say that the price now is taking, let's say that we hit like $5. Okay, you can see that it's taking $1 here. That's what we set. We say that it's taking what $1 at this place, guys. But because it's taking small trade here, it's going to be big for you to reach to this level. So let's stop it and make it to go to our distance so that we can able to see the results. So let me go to multi-girl again, and you can see that the one we already set. Let's say that our distance should increase the the stake, increase the stake to $10 so that we can see how those things can actually work. So let's increase the stake to $10, then say run again. Then we reset this place. Let me say we reset this place. Remember we said that $3 is our stop loss and $5 is our take profit. Let's see if it's going to hit our distance. You can see you have already exceeded the position of contract, so that means you have already hit it. Let's reset it again. Let me reset it. Let me reset the You have already have an opposition for accumulator contract replying, so I need to stop this one. I need to stop before it starts making any change again. So I need to stop this one. So and let me stop it. Okay, so I need to reset this one right now and start reading it again. So let's see. You have already open position accumulator. So let's say I'm having accumulator open position in an accumulator. Let me check the problem. So this is what you have to understand. So you have to load the bot again and see what is happening on the bot. Let's see what is happening. You have already position in accumulator contract type, so relying on one two. So I have already placed some trade here. So let me just clear this thing and see what the problem is, guys. So I'm going to reset this one again. Let me just reset this place, and I'm going to click reset, say yes. So and again, so as I'm going to reset, let me finish this one, and let me just see if we can stop so that I can go and create new one, guys. So if you like what we're doing here, you can click my subscribe button below, guys. So I'm going to click this thing, let it stop running. So and the thing that I'm going to click, let's go to this. You have stopped. Let's reset it again. You have stopped. I have click reset. Then let me just go to pick strategy again. This time around we are going to choose the Alabat. I'm going to choose the Alabat. You can see it just automatically put everything you have put in another one. So threshold, it should be 5, loss should be 3. Let me increase this one to, let me just decrease this one to 2 loss. Then loss, profit 4, profit should be 4. Okay, profit should be something like 6. Let me just increase it. At least we are using, let me just increase it to 5. Then let me just decrease this one to 3. I just want you to understand it, how it works. Then let me just go and decrease this one to 5. This stake. Let's see how it's going to work. Then I'm going to say condition. I can put this thing to take profit and enter the amount equal or higher than 0.01. I can put this one, then I say run. Then successfully, you can see I started running. So you can see that we put $5 worth contract stake, so it will start taking $5 from our accounts in order to start trading, guys. So don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can be able to download it. You can see, guys, that it have taken a trade here. I have started taking a trade, so you're getting $1. So remember we set our profits to $5 profit threshold. So once you reach $5 threshold, it will stop trading, and it tell us that we have reached what $5 threshold. So right now we are in $2. So and look at how it's doing, and this is how it's working. Let's see, it's going to give us um $5 profit or $3 loss. Let's see. Remember, I'm using demo to illustrate this. So I'm just teaching it. Now we are at $3. So let's see, no loss. So remember, we are dealing with V10YS, and this V10YS is what we are dealing, and we are also dealing with what the Alabat. You can see we are now in $4. So let's see if it's going to reach our target. And oh no, we have lost at the fourth one. So let's see if it's going to. So you can see you have a multi there. You have multiplied that thing we say that is growth. So you have multiplied. So you can see you have multiplied. Now it will return to the level. You can see that growth we said is 1%. So imagine if we say 2%, it's going to take our account well if we lost twice. So I don't know if you understand it. If we lost twice, it's going to take our accounts so many. So let's keep waiting and see. So this time around with $1 is it's now $1. You have lost. You can see. So I like this. You can see we lost. You can see, guys. You say that the threshold loss threshold trigger total loss 3.75. You can see. So this is because what we said here, guys, what we said here is what we doing here. We're doing the job. You can see that what we said here is what is doing job. Let's go to the Alabat and see. You can see that our this thing is, you can see what we said 1%. So let's see. You can see. So this is because we have reached to this level, guys, and it started what stop. So and if had it been that the other one reached to $4, it will have stop. Let's say we can increase this thing to know if you can reach that is $5. To reach $5, let's run it again. I'm going to reset this one. Let's see how it's going to do. Let me just stop it and reset it. Yeah, I hope that you're understanding it. So this is just after we create this bot, we can download it. You can see it's taking $10 right now. It's taking $10, and let's see. Okay, you have reached to the threshold. I'm just trying to know if you can reach. Let me just set it to let me just set the Alabat to 3. To 3 immediately. Like if you reach $3, let it stop. Just immediately if you reach $10, let it stop. It reach $3 profit, let it. You have position, but after this peak, you have started taking a trade. So $1. Let's see if you are going to hit $3 profit, and if you can able to hit it, it's going to stop. This is true. So you can see that this is how this thing working, guys. So it's very simple to create. This one have hit a loss again, so it's not trying to get us what we want. So let's reset it again and see what we are going to. It's only getting us lost. That because the bots have not been set well, So we are only dealing with the boat. So I'm just trying to see if you can actually win. So let me just set it quick boat. So remember, this is just for showing you how it works, guys. So this is not, if you want my 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 strategy like the boat I created, you can, that be link below to download it. So try it on your demo. So let's just use this one as 2. Let's just use this one as 2, and use this one as 4, 5. Let me just increase this one to 20. So you can see we have a change now. I'm just making this change so that you can understand it better. So let's say that we have, and our profit is 5. Our profit threshold is 5. Let me just stop this. I'm going to reset it. Let me just reset it. So you can see that we have started giving us. Remember, we are dealing with the Alabat. We have made $1. So I'm going to tell you why this thing is giving small profit. So why is taking small profit, like it's giving us small profit, and why it's not giving us at least $10 or something like that. So, and why is giving us $1 and something like that. So it's now $4. So I hope that this 51 will not mess up, so that we can get what we needed. So you can see you have reached, guys. So you can see that you have reached threshold trigger profit. So now that you have reached, so you have stopped. So what again, guys? The next is that, why is he giving us not $1? That's because that's where we are going to teach you on a boat builder, guys. Let me just reset this one. I'm going to teach you this one on a boat builder. Let me just reset this one. So if you look at boat builder, we have reset everything, now come to default as it used to be. So let me also reset this. Okay, let me leave it. So why is it this thing giving us one upon we are using 20 to trade, is giving us $1? So that's because it depends on how the boat is being set. So like if you want to set the boat right now, you want to create your own boat, and you want to create your own boat, guys, and you see that you have created it. Like if you come to this Deriv Bot, you see Deriv, you will see Deriv, you will see forest, you will see stock, you will see commodity. So leave it under Deriv. So this Deriv now is the one that is usually be active 247. Then you can stay continuous or forest, so just leave it at the default. Then you can see volatility one, so you can leave it at this one, or you can choose V75 or V10 or V25. So make sure that what we are choosing here is the same thing as what you are going to analyze. Like let me just give you an example here. This place right now, you're analyzing something here, you will say that it's going to be what, V75. Make sure that it's under this thing, guys. So and if you come here, guys, you can see, so right now we leave it like that. Then if you come to up and down, you can leave it to, many people are trading what, digit. So let's trade what, let's leave it at digit. So under digit you have matches, differ, even, odd, over, under. So let's say that we want to leave it to matches, differ, we can leave it to matches, differ. Then if it is both, we leave it to both matches. So we can leave it to both matches or this thing. So but if you leave it to even, odd, let's say we leave it, then you can choose whether it's even, odd, or both, or even both, or even, or. So that's why I'm going to explain to you why this thing is giving us this such amount. So you can see that this thing is under both. So it's either that the price give us even or both. So why trading with both is when automatically, like the software that is built, like bot you build can do that. But if you want to trade it manually, is even odd. So it's when you set a bot that can do that, it will do it both and even odd. So let's set it like um let's set it like odd, um odd. So let's set it like odd. So if you look at this place right now, you can see that when the price is in what is in odd number, that is odd number, you can see that 5 is an odd number. So you can see that 2 is an what odd number, guys. So you can see that 2 is what, I mean, this is what is happening. So 6 is what odd, even number. So this thing is giving us what profit based on what even number. Let's set it, this one like even number. So let's set this one as even number. So when it is in even number, you can see when it detects even number, that is 4, it gives us profit. So when it is on even number again, it gives us profit too. And profit, let's check this one, the one that we're going to loss. Let's check loss around this place. Let's see if it's going to loss. So you can see it's still giving us even number here. Let's run it and see how it's going to loss. If it start giving, you can see we have set this one. This one is still giving us, is what we set here. Okay, let's stop it here, guys. So this one is another one. So you can see, guys, we get what we get what did we get here? We get let me stop it. We get what here? We get even number here. We get even we get odd number here, and what we set here is what even number. So when the price reach what, when the last digit gets odd number, we are in loss. So when the last digit get what even number, we are in profit. Can you see that? That's what we set here, guys. So that's what happened to the other one. So you can see here, guys, when the last number gets what digit number, we are in profit. You can see when the last number gets what odd, you can see we are in loss. Can you see that? So let me just set this thing as what odd number, so that you can see how this thing works, guys. So right now we are now trading odd number. So we are no longer trading what even number. So whenever we get odd number, we are in profit. Whenever we get even number, we are in loss. Let's reset this thing again. Let me just trade it like this. Let's see if we can see we get even number, we are in loss. We get odd number, we are in profit. You can see it. So we get even number, we are in loss. We get odd number, we are in, you can see we get odd number in profit, odd number profit, odd number profit. Can you see that? So the last last number what is 1, which is odd number, we get profit. The last one, which is 7, we get profit. So the last one, which is 7, we get profit. So look at this one, the last one, which is even number, we get what loss. So that's how it works, guys. And the best way, like where to teach you, is that how you can make it to be what making profit while you are what doing it on what even number. How to set it, how to build a bot that can be doing it on even number, that can be getting profit more on what even number. And like if you leave it on even number, you want even number to be appearing more. So that's what you can do. So this place right now, you can set it more on like this place. So this will be in another tutorial, guys, where I can teach you some of these things here, how to apply. So I just want to teach you all this stuff, guys. So this place right now, you can say run once or run again. So if you want the bot to be automatically trading, you can say what run as that. So okay, this is the place. You can say that it's what is going to be what run again. So and again, you can set the, you can see the ticks. If you want the ticks to be 1, to be trading 1, you can set it here. So and again, purchased. So this one is just a simple bot that you can just Great, guys. Once you are done, you can now go and save your bot. You can now say save here. You can name it anything you want to name it. Then let's say we name it, we want to name this one, what is the name of this bot, guys? We can name it striker bot. That is something like that. So when we save our bot here, then it now become what? A bot, guys. So if you want to now go and load a bot, let's say we reset this thing here, you will see, let's say we reset this thing here, it now come to normal as default as the Deriv Bot used to be. Then if you want to import now, you will see our bot. You can see our bot here. You can see the one we created, the other one, the Alabat. You can see that's the one that we created. Now look at this striker bot we just created. We can load it. Then if you want to download it, you can see I've already downloaded. Once you save it, it will download. You can see it XM file. The XM file have been downloaded, guys. So and we can actually use it to give other purpose. So that is very simple, guys. You can see the bot here. You can see striker bot, and you can also see it this place, guys. This is the place where if you want to load it again, we can load it. If you want to delete it, we can delete it, guys. So I hope that you watched this video. I hope that this video helped, guys. So in my next video, I'm going to teach you more on how you can be able to start setting more of things, guys. And I hope that this video helped. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button below and also share this video, guys. I'll see you in my next video.